And we are live. Nice. Ooh, nice, nice, nice. Okay. Oh, good stuff. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to finish the course-ish tonight. Just get what I can done. Okay, that looks good. We got chat. We got chase this from gaming to not gaming, education. AI course, nice. Okay, let's get that good. What's up, what's up? We're going to finish the AI course. Circle, let me show you. We're launching the AI course on make.com. Share my screen. Cool. Oh, that's better. All right. What do we have to do with the course? We have to add the make.com templates. What's up, Chrissy? What's up, everyone? Okay, make.com. Adding a lot of the automations, all the scenarios from the courses. I want to give them away for the students. Okay, create an account. Don't need to do Notion. Let's edit this one. Okay, Notion, documents, template. So for this one, I want to give them the Notion template for docs. Can we view this? This is good enough. Yeah, just a simple list database. Let's copy this one. Because I highly recommend for them to learn Notion in the course in order to take notes. What about Notion template notes? Maybe that one's a better one. Okay, yeah, maybe better. A knowledge vault. So I'm putting together the finishing touches on Josh. Exactly, we're going live. We're literally, the course is done, or at least for the first version of the course. I see your school comments, and I'm like, you are the motivating fire that I'm like, I need to launch for Josh. I appreciate your patience, and yeah, so the course is done right now. I'm actually in this session right now. I'm going to just do the final touches as uploading the templates. I got to build the landing page, do the payment connection link. So right now, I mean, the course is pretty much all mostly recorded, at least for this week. Next week, I'm going to be adding more stuff. But this is really good. So right now, I'm just adding like the resources for the course. So like one of the lessons, I hope you're having a great day, Josh. I really do. What are you working on? Pop in the chat. What projects are you working on? It's funny that you're the one that caught on. I'm like, yo, the algorithm knows. But I appreciate you, Josh. I truly do. I think, what about this knowledge template? Let me see what this template looks like. Oh, that's too much. That's too much. This is what I recommend for students when they go through the course. I recommend for them to take notes, and I think that's going to be the best thing. So here, so I recommend Notion, and just this is all you need in Notion, because a lot of people go crazy with like databases and like dashboards and like list on list on list. I'm like, no, keep Notion super simple. One database for documents, and that's all you need. Super simple. So this is perfect, and it's completely free, which is awesome. So I'm going to take this, put it in the course for the Notion section for taking notes. See, here's the video. We can see a video. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about using Notion to take notes while you learn any subject. Nice. So I got the course. It's all nicely recorded. Ooh, since you guys are on, if any of you Okay, I want to share this such a hack with you guys. So you want to talk about AI tools and productivity? Yo, if you guys do video editing, you have to edit any type of video, short form, long form. Like for me, I had to edit an entire course, about 8 hours of content I had to go through. I could show you a tool that will use AI to help you edit the videos in a fraction of the time. It's insane. It it's insane. So I tested a bunch of different ones like Descript, and Descript was honestly trash. It's called Gling, Gling. This app, I paid $20, worth every penny. It allowed me to take what would take an hour of editing a video for a lesson, which would probably take an hour and a half, down to 10 minutes. And how many clicks I would have to do to like maybe 10 clicks. Check, 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 done. And then upload. It it allows you to edit videos using AI, and you don't need CapCut, you don't need DaVinci, you don't need Adobe Premiere anymore. Done. Those days are done. Editing using AI is now such a game changer. Such a I like I literally want to call the developers and say thank you so much for creating this tool. Not once have I had a tool had such an impact on like more, because I've been doing video editing for like a decade, and it's it's such a time suck of how much time it takes to edit a video. It's the worst. It's the most annoying process of video production. Gling, worth every penny. So if you pay $20 on the monthly plan, $10 on the annual plan. And here I'll show you guys. If you they get comes down with the software, downloads to your computer. You Here's one video. For example, this was the previous video. And what it does using AI on the left hand side is it transcribes the whole video. So you're not, if you've done video editing, um, traditionally you're like looking at the timeline, you're looking at the sound to try and find when do you start a sentence, end a sentence, was this a mistake, is this a gap, did I say and you're trying to like slice. Here, totally different. It literally transcribes and edits when you upload. Let me show you like uploading a random video. So because the process is literally drag and drop, and then it uploads. Well, then once you upload a file, it will automatically edit for you. It takes maybe 5 minutes to edit, and then this is the screen you get after it does all the work. So now look at, I can't zoom in, but on the left hand side, these were all mistakes. I was like, welcome to the lesson, welcome to the lesson, let me welcome, okay, test, okay, welcome to the, I was doing, I because when you create video or create content, you're always like making mistakes, but the goal is to try and record in all in one go. um and so this, now I can highlight words and cut, or I can, that's pretty much it. It's just going through, you're literally reading the text to find out, yes, that looks good. And then if there's anything you want to cut out, you're literally highlighting the words and click cut. And then, yeah. K in TikTok is called Gling. Worth every I like I I can't tell you how many hours it would have took me 3 days of editing to edit my entire make.com course. 3 days. We did it in 6 hours. 3 days, 6 hours. 3 days, 6 hours. Oh my God. So that theoretically means in a year I could publish more courses than any of my competitors, and a fraction of a cost. And like, oh my God, worth its weight in gold. So I'm going to do a course on Gling, how to use it for video editing. So that's going to be inside the AI, AI, I'm calling it basically AI community is what I'm going to be calling it. So we have courses on make.com, which I'm launching tonight. I'm going to do a course on Gling, and then so much more. Josh says, I started working with my automated AI agent developer, Aviva, nice, 6 weeks ago. Now it's dangerously close to a prototype, and I just need to configure a sub agent so it can use the right tools. Are you using Agentive or N8N, Josh? Because that's awesome. That's really bad. You should really create your YouTube channel, Josh, and then publish all the stuff you're working on because you're working on some advanced stuff. Brittany says, thank you for sharing. Hell yeah. So dope. Like AI tools are such a hack. People that use AI, you're saving. I've saved myself like almost 30 hours this week of extra work that I didn't have to do using AI tools, creating a course. Because I used to create courses before AI. Thank you so much, Great Info Glean. Cool. I just followed you. Have a great night, Kay. Appreciate you. So awesome. Look at that. Kay came on, learned about Glean for video editing, and now game change. Game change. That's what this channel is all about. It's just showcasing all the cool things you could do with AI to save you time. Okay, so wait. So this is, I want to add a Notion template for the resource for the course. So this is it's a full make.com course for automating how to do AI, AI agents, AI assistants using make.com. It even goes through the beginner stuff of how to just use it. So now I'm just adding like the resources, Notion template for documents. And then I'm just going to do, cool. And then we'll just say it's free. This, nice. We'll just start simple because I'm going to do a whole Notion course. I'll just say be sure to check out the Notion productivity course coming soon. That's going to be cool because we're going to do a course on Notion. So that and hyperlink, can I just do that? Perfect. Click here. I should actually be click here for the free Notion template for documents. Be sure to check out Notion. Okay, cool. Cool. Okay, so that's good. Adding some resources for the students in the course. I'm excited. Agentive, nice. Most of the tools are make except one through relevance. Dude, publish content around your stuff, man. Like, cause super advanced. You'll get a lot of demand of like people looking for like tutorials on like YouTube of like how to use relevance, how to use agentive and stuff like that. Like, oh, yesterday we had our Saturday AI meetup for the people that are part of my AI newsletter. So if you join the AI newsletter, simpletechskills.com, you get access to an exclusive Saturday group AI meeting every day. It's every Saturday, 10 to 11 a.m. And one of the guys on there was from the school community, and he was building with Agentive. And I kind of convinced him to move over to N8N. So I brought him over to the dark side. But a lot of people are building with Agentive, and they have like unique work cases. They're looking for tutorials on YouTube. And so like 100%, like you could get clients just by being an Agentive expert. Like, Josh, dude, you're so far advanced, Josh. So advanced. We got a lot of great followers in TikTok. I appreciate it. Feel free to drop any AI questions in the chat. I'm kind of like working on the course behind the scenes as I'm like kind of chatting with you guys. But this is totally informal. I'm just like finishing up stuff from the course. I want to add these. So this was one of the just beginner scenarios. So I want to add the templates. Beginner scenario number 1. Beginner scenario number 1. And I think there's, so if I go inside of it, yep, that's it. I want to export more, export blueprint. Perfect. Oh, it exports it as JSON. Nice. So then, can I just drag and drop that? What does that do? Ooh, look at that. So now the students, and then I could say, I could probably do headers H3. So probably H3. Click below for make.com blueprint. Copy. That means I got to do a lesson on how to import. So I'm going to go to the course. I'm using Notion to keep notes of everything. Johnny S. Good. Johnny. Dude. Good to see you again, Johnny. Did you check out Speech MA? What is Speech MA, Johnny? SPECH. Wait. Speech MA. What is this? This is how I learn about new tools from all you guys that are up to date. I'm truly grateful. What does this do? Okay, Speech MA. Let's go to About. Shout out to Johnny and you too for sharing this with the community. Experience unlimited access to premium quality text to unlimited access to text to speech conversion, high fidelity voices, professional need, spoken words. So it's text. So the alternate. So the competitors is basically 11 Labs basically. I appreciate the follow, 2C2Rs. Thank you so much for the follow and everyone else on TikTok. Dude, Johnny, what is this? Is amazing. Because I just played with another one. Have you seen? I was playing with, I think it was like Fish.audio. Yeah, Fish.audio. Fish.audio. It's not completely free. It's kind of free. Oh yeah, it's free, but an hour. I was playing with this one, which was another one. It's called Fish.audio for text to speech. But this is dope because so what I've always wanted to do is I have a lot of like so there's two places I get books. There's archive.org. I'll download free books from archive.org. You could do here and be like, win friends and influence people. So it's basically like a public library. So you can see there's like a bunch of books. Sometimes they allow you to download the PDF book, but then I want it. There's hold on, let me go to my books. Notion books. There are books that don't have audiobooks, and they're from. There's another site. It's right here. Ocean of PDF. If you love books, like a book reader like me, check out Ocean of PDF. You can literally download all sorts of books. So there's a lot of books that don't have audiobooks, and I've been looking for a tool to take the PDF and convert it into an audiobook. So shout out to Johnny for sharing speech MA with the community. Completely free text to voice. Wow. So it's free up to 200 characters. Hey, that's not bad. That's really good. Nice. Because in the course, I'm going to be building a digital clone of yourself so that you don't have to like be so that you could clone yourself, deep fake yourself, and then create content with your deep fake on TikTok videos and Instagram videos. So there's HeyGen, but then I was thinking of 11 Labs for the audio. So I'm always looking for other type of voice to text ones. Shout out to the follows for Natsu and Velocity. I appreciate each and every one of you following on TikTok. We learn about AI and help each other share all the cool AI tools to help you guys take the full advantage of AI. Yes, 11 Labs is paid, but it's really the quality. If you're going to deep fake yourself, you're going to be using HeyGen, which we're going to go over in the course, the Create Social Media course. Okay, for sure. Johnny's shouting out to try it live. Let's play with this. Okay, Speech MA. Let's see. Let's go to About. Okay, and then let me mute my sound so that we can all hear this together and learn. Like this is. Okay, so I'm going to pick Amber. Play.
Welcome to SpeechMa, where your words transform into crystal clear audio with just a click. Experience free and unlimited text-to-speech conversions that brings your content to life across multiple languages and voices.
I'm going to do a Snoop
From YouTube videos to TikTok content, podcast
lyrics.
intros to presentation voiceovers, SpeechMa empowers creators with professional-grade voice
give me any
synthesis,
song from
absolutely
Snoop Dogg.
free.
Give me Gin and Juice is a great song. Oh no, we can't say those words. Can't say those words. Can we nothing but a G thing. Okay. Will it allow us to cuss? We'll see. I immediately get banned. Okay, another but G thing. I'll take the rip this stuff. Okay, let's see. Death Row and then okay, so 2,000 characters free. So what do you do with this? Okay, generate. Oh, so that's a code. Okay, 76479. Okay, so it's Are you a bot or a human authenticator? Okay. Okay, I did it. Did it by Amber, English female.
1, 2, 3, and to the 4. Snoop Doggy Dogg and Dr. Dre is at the door. Ready to make an entrance,
Oh,
so
okay.
back on up. 'Cause you know we're about to rip stuff up. Give me the microphone first, so I can bust like a bubble. Compton and Long Beach together, now you know you in trouble. Ain't nothing but a G-Tang, baby. Two locked out niggas going
Oh
crazy.
shit.
Death
Banned.
Row is the label
There
that
goes my
pays me.
channel. This is why we can't have nice things. That's dope. Um, EDC Clothing Wear says, "How can we do it if it's 100 for free?" Johnny says it's 100. It's free for either 2,000. Yeah, 2,000. Okay, so it's a limited usage. But as long as your text is under 2,000 characters, you could continuously use it. So if you had like a book or paragraph, you could basically. Josh is like, "What the heck?" Getting AI to rap Snoop Dogg? Yes. That's funny. Cool. And then okay, so then you got okay, so we got let's check out the selection here. We could search, we could choose by country, we could choose by gender, we could choose by language. Nice. We've got a bunch of different voices. Let's do a male.
Welcome to SpeechMap, where your words transform into crystal clear audio with just a click. Experience free and unlimited text-to-speech conversions that brings your content to life across multiple languages and voices. From YouTube videos to TikTok content, podcast intros to presentation voiceovers.
Welcome to SpeechMa.
Okay, so you could do different languages, 2,000 characters, and run it. What are some of the other options? Unlimited usage, no restrictions on the number, premium quality, multiple languages. Nice. You're about to see an Espanol John channel soon. That would be dope. Enter your text, choose a voice, generate audio. Premium features, you get high quality, better quality, mobile ready. Okay. And then all the stuff is saved. Okay, what is it? Yep, totally free. What can I use it for? Commercials, YouTube, so commercial purposes. We have a wide range. How are they stored? Everything's stored. Free unlimited usage, use case, and then we've got tutorials. So do they have an API, which would be the next thing? So FAQs. So does SpeechMa API? Text to speech API. I think so. Oh,
Our mission
nice. Wait, this is a totally different app. That's Speechmatics. No, they don't have an API. Okay, that's not bad. Because then API, we can then hook it up to make.com, upload a script. Oh, but there's other ways. No. Well, let me show you another tool that I came across today. It's not really related to text to speech. But if I want to control the browser, this, what is it? AI, what's the name of this? It's called browser.use. Browser use control computer AI. I was checking out this guy's channel. Read this one.
Looks like we have a new.
So basically, what this software does, it's completely free. It controls your browser and it scans for buttons and allows you to, yeah, you type in what you want to do as far as the goal. It scans whatever browser you're looking at. Let's see here. Wait, I'll find a demo. Okay, so this is, it scans a Y Combinator form. It finds the link, the text, and then it will press the button. And then it can upload. Basically, it's like also for web scraping too. So you could like press buttons, uploads. You could like do job automation and stuff like that, which is super interesting. I want to play with this. This is a whole nother one. Totally different than text to voice. If you want to make it longer, you can basically chop it up by 200 characters and then paste it all together in one audio file. For sure. Yo, Johnny. Shout out to Johnny S in YouTube for this. This is dope. questions. Do you know how to automate LinkedIn post scraping on the feed and then repost? Yeah, EDC clothing wear. This will scrape LinkedIn content. Actually, we got Josh in the YouTube chat. Josh, what do you recommend for YouTube scraping content? He's really good at scraping. You should follow his channel. Josh, create that YouTube channel. Can you connect DeepSeek to localhost N8N? You should be able to, theoretically. But localhost, though, I'm not sure about I haven't played. I played with the cloud hosting of N8N, but not local yet. I'm sure you probably can. Hey, bro, is there any AI platform that can do Excel based on your request? Why, yes, there is. Glad you asked, Krabby Patty. Let's show you those. Ask and you shall receive. That's what this channel is about. Let's learn some AI tools together. Let me grab, I have like a list of top AI tools that I keep referencing. If I go down to Excel, yeah. So these are probably like the best AI tools for like Excel. I recommend Julius. Julius is one. Well, Julius AI is more for visualizing data. Where's Excel again? Zoom out, zoom in. A lot of these will like, there's numerous AI, Excel, GPT Excel, I think is what you're looking for. Yeah. GPT Excel, AI powers spreadsheets and automations, formulas, charts. So here you can, I need a formula for my Google Sheet, then it creates functions. I think this, and then it will analyze data. You upload a file, so it's uploading an Excel sheet, and then it will analyze the Excel sheet. So you could create charts based on what you want. That's another one. Good question. Let's see what else we got. Dalton asks, can I get AI to scrub Facebook and post comments and DM people? Posting content, yes. Scrub Facebook, there's I'm not sure about scraping Facebook per se. Auto DMing people, that's more like ManyChat, I think. ManyChat is more like you get them into your circle and then you could do like AI automation kind of stuff. Wait, you can have it in Google Sheets? Good question. So it's like, well, let's actually look at it. So here's a cool tip. Whenever I have a question, damn it, Johnny's saying another tip. We got to check out Johnny's new AI tool next after. Shout out to Johnny. Thank you. I'm going to check that. Anytime I have a question now, I'm now going to Mistral. Mistral has now been like my I'll call it my daily driver as far as AI. Mistral. It's like DeepSeek, but it's stupidly fast, and they're a European large language model and completely free. What was it? Oh yeah, AI tools inside Excel or Google Sheets to edit spreadsheets. I know there's a few of them already. So let's look at it. Just look how fast that was. Mistral is so gangster. Ideas in Excel. Wait, Microsoft Excel, Smart Lookup, Power Query, Smart Fill. No, give me AI tools. No, give me AI tools only. Oh, ideas in Excel is one, maybe. Oh, that's ideas. No. There's sort of Excel plugin, ChatGPT AI. There's they have their own ChatGPT for Excel on the App Store is one. Then there's ChatGPT Plaro. Oh yeah, here's a plug. Oh yeah, here we go. ChatGPT for Excel, ChatGPT for Excel for work. Oh, that's probably a good one. ChatGPT for work. Oh, done. Nice. Ooh, demo. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. So you're typing in what you want it to do. And then it does it. Oh yeah, so on the right hand side you can see all these different functions. So there's ChatGPT for work, which is one. And then this guy, oh, Numerous AI. I've come across Numerous AI. So Numerous AI would be the next one for Excel. Great questions. And then Johnny has another one. Let's check out Johnny. Johnny's 1-for-1 already. APOB AI. Meet APOB. Shout out and credit to Johnny S in the chat. APOB. No problem. Use the AI influence generator to create a custom AI portrait model from scratch. Let's dive in. Create your own AI influencer. So whenever I come across a new tool, I save it to a Notion database. Actually, you guys are on YouTube, so let me move this over to here. There you go. So I have a Notion database called TechStack, so I just kind of save them there. Let me save the Speechma, because I'll come across so many tools, so I just save it to my Notion database. Makes it easy. Create your AI influencer. Supercharge your AI image and video content creation for APOB influence. And then, okay, wait. Oh, these are AI these are AI influencers. Sorry, it's slowly clicking. The neurons are slowly clicking together. They'd be like, wait, okay, create your AI influencer in a second. Sign up, do this. Oh, interesting. Generate images and styles. Okay, so influencer, 5 versatile models to suit all experiences from beginner to advanced to different styles. Anime, LinkedIn, headshots, adventure, Christmas. Yeah, because there's the blonde chick. Not exactly like her, but she has blonde hair. That's like the #1 AI influencer. Yo, nice. This is so weird because it's so weird to say maybe 2 months ago, which is like back in my day we had to use, it wasn't Midjourney, it was we were using Flux AI. I don't know, Flux AI to generate influencers. This is cool because you could create, it does text to image. Flux AI, you could do photo to video. It was super realistic as far as you upload a photo. That's just funny. Flux AI is pretty dope as far as creating images and stuff. It's crazy what it does, man. You can animate them. You can animate influencers. Look at all these influencers. Let's click this one. And then you just see different photos. Well, this reminds me, if you've watched the VEO2, so YouTube, VEO2, they do influencers in the demos, like this one. So this is Sora's competitor. So OpenAI Sora that does hyper realistic video. This is Google's version called VEO2. So VEO2, so everyone can see. VEO2. So watch this, because they create video influencers, and they're not real, which is wild. I gotta wait for it, because then you could technically create ads for products, which is super freaky. Wait for it. It's not there yet. There's 2 AI influencers in here. Not yet. We gotta fast forward. The dog. Oh, there was probably another video. Darn. VO. Oh, this one. VO2 influencers. She's not real. And this is VO2. Wait for the next one. She's not real. And she's doing a product review, and the product's not real. And then this guy doing a tech review, and he's not real. None of this is real. This is all VO2, which is wild. So these are AI video influencers, almost like the same thing, which you were talking about. Like, what? Like, you can't trust anything online. As of like last year, I gave up trusting anything I see online. I'm like, fake. I don't know. It's so hard to tell these days. Sorry, I'm catching up to people in TikTok. Let's see. Can you mention AI for local SEO? Yes. You want to use Search Atlas. Let's go here. Search Atlas is AI SEO. Johnny's like, VO2, wow. Yeah, I haven't played with it. I haven't looked at like the pricing or the create account yet. I've a lot of it's next on my list. But VO2, you theoretically could create AI influencers for content. Um, and then it's like you get the video, you can make little commercials and stuff like that. And it's cheaper than Sora 2 from what I hear. So, and then for 4H M3 in TikTok, use Search Atlas for SEO AI. Let's see. Vault, thank you so much for the follow. EDC, not too sure yet about. Oh, wait, let's see. The only tool used for automatically transferring YouTube videos. Josh says the only tool he's found to automatically transcribe YouTube videos is a random Appify template charging $20 a month. He's meeting the mentor Tuesday to see if he could build something for him. Interesting. I want your Notion database, dude. My Notion database is filled with my clone. I have. I don't want to show it, but I have 13. I think I have 1,300 books saved in my Notion database, documents, files. I mean, even like say for example, creating the Notion course for some people who are like, hey, how do you create a course using Notion, or how do you create a whole course and stay organized? I use Notion, so this is a whole. Oh wait, not that one. Let's see. Prompt the make.com course. So if you can see, so this is all the episodes of the Notion or the make.com AI automation course, which is going live tomorrow. I promise. I'm technically supposed to be working on it. So these are all the videos done and some of the videos to do. And then each one, if you look inside, probably let's go to this one. I think this one. Yeah, probably this one. You can kind of see how I take notes. So the goal with Notion, for people that don't know, Notion is great because it's a digital notebook. It saves you from having to store all the things you need to do for work or for business from storing in your brain. So like for me, I don't have to worry about how do I record a course? What should I say? No, here's all the resources for creating the course. Here's step 1, it should look like this. Here's step 2, it should look like this. Here's step 3, use this text. Here's step 4, it should look like this. So this is how I use Notion to basically as a super digital notebook so that I could create all my courses. And then like say for example, I come across and great people like Johnny share amazing tools. Of course, shout out to Tony Stark. Of course, I'm going to build Jarvis in N8N next month. That's going to be next month's project. I'm very excited for that. But this is a tech stack database. This thing has about, I don't know, 299 tools. I'll come across all sorts of, from Johnny who says Speechma, and I try and keep an inventory of like a bunch of tools that are for all sorts of stuff. And again, this is the purpose of Notion. Create a database, store it in Notion. It could be books, tools, documents. That's the main one. People get crazy with Notion. I just say keep it simple and just one database for documents. That's all you need. And just dump everything in there. Don't build dashboards. Don't do automations. Don't link your email. Don't link your calendar. So shout out for that. Let's see. Looking in the TikTok chat, catching up with you guys' questions. Mistral, yes. So for those people that, hey, first I get it. Some people don't want to play with DeepSeek. Mistral, Mistral. Can I find? Let's do this. Mistral. There you go. So you guys can see. Mistral is stupidly fast, like so fast as far as its output. It's almost like R1 reasoning, but think of ChatGPT but on steroids. That's probably the best way to put it. Have a great night, Johnny. I appreciate it. Good to see you again, and great to see you at today's AI meetup. So for those of you who don't know, if you join let's go here, simpletechskills.com, you can sign up for my free AI newsletter. You get a bunch of a lot of free goodies, a lot of courses on AI, ChatGPT, make.com, how to do AI agents, a 4-hour ChatGPT course, 1,400 prompts, and then you get access to every Saturday. I have a private AI Q&A with my AI email, with my basically AI community. they ask questions and I could give them the best tools, much like what we're doing right now, but just on Zoom. So sign up for simpletechskills.com, completely free. So then looking in the chat, yes, Mistral has now become my new, that's Gling, my new go-to for chat. Because if I'm like, okay, let's play with it, create what's the game, Space Invaders. Oh, in HTML, because and then I can't spell invaders, because Mistral allows you to run HTML. Look how fast this is going to run. Look how, I got to catch up. Look how fast, it's done. It's done. Before you blinked, it was done. And then now, I think we can run it. Create it in HTML so I can run it. Done. So now, if there should be, dang, I forgot where it puts it. Sometimes it'll run the HTML. Here's the completion code. Here's the copy. Sometimes it'll run it, but I'm like, HTML, run on browser. There's like, okay, can we do this? Edit, paste, run. Wow, they're gonna make me run it. Mistral would actually run the game, which is kind of wild. But yeah, highly check out Mistral. It's completely free. It is ludicrously fast, and I've been loving it as far as like my go-to daily. Questions going. I'm sorry, I'm catching up. Appreciate all the TikTok followers trying to catch up with all your guys' questions. Dalton's talking about VO2 for creating an ad campaign off the videos. Yep, VO2, you could do that to create an ad campaign. What's the best for creating 2D animation style videos? Well, oh wait, videos though. Well, so I mean, there's Flux AI. Flux creates, you could do text to video. It depends on how long the video. Well, okay. Actually, no, I'm sorry. It's Kling, Kling. Do this one better. Anytime you want to create video, I would recommend Kling, Kling. We teach it in the course, AI community course that I have. So Kling creates these amazing, and plus Kling has an API that you can hook up to on the back end. Hold on, let me fix my camera. I'm a little too dark. There we go. Okay, cool. Bump up the exposure. Nice. So Kling allows you to create AI video. Look at these videos. Look at these videos. So everyone meet Kling. Kling's not that pricey. It's not that expensive. What? That is what? There's a whole subreddit on like AI stuff, that AI video, which is all, ooh, fire. That's dope. What else we got? Space, Dancer Robot. What else we got? Whoa, what's going on there? That's wild. That's, of course, this is why the internet was made for. Stuff like that. Of course. Come on. That is so wild. You could spend hours. So if you want to do 2D video animations, I would check out Kling. Drew, check that out. Catching up to your comments. 4H says, thank you for the love your content, bro. I appreciate each and every one of you. I try and post 5 short form videos Monday through Friday. I go live Monday. Technically, I go live Monday through Friday at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and teach AI. And then I go late night lives to kind of just like hang out and ask questions. So appreciate you guys. At the end of the day, I just want to share AI tools to help you guys level up. And then I do courses so that you could really take advantage of it. Let's see. Dalton says, I thought about Jarvis so damn much. I'm growing my mortgage business, just thinking about how AI can help. So for the mortgage business, you can do a lot. You can do automation from make.com to streamline your operations. You can use Go High Level to automate your market. I would start with Go High Level to automate your marketing sales part. Then I would use make.com because mortgage business, I assume you're dealing with a lot of contracts. So there's like uh, PandaDoc. There's other ones, contract management, but these all have APIs. So you could hook up the make.com. So once they fill out a form on the website, it could automatically generate a document or a legal contract. It could notify. I mean, you could get so far into AI assistance and make.com, Dalton. I would definitely focus on there. Including AI agents to do cold calling for mortgage leads. Yes, great question, Dalton. So you would use Vappy. Now here's the caveat though with AI voice receptionist. Vappy, share this so you guys can see. Vappy allows you to create AI voice receptionist for inbound and cold calling for outbound. Here's the caveat though. There's a lot of in order for you to do outbound, when they opt in on the form on your website, you have to have clear language that you're going to robocall them, say, basically in there and in your terms. Once you have that legal text there and they opt in, they consent, you could robocall them basically with AI. But check your state laws. They're really cracking down on cold calling with AI now. It sucks, but theoretically, and if you're interested too, home. If you go to my YouTube channel, so for everyone that doesn't know, I have a YouTube channel. Check that out because I have a series called AI Made Simple. So every time I go live, I try and I show a lot of great automation tutorials. You want to check out this video. Hold on, this one, so you can see. Build an AI voice receptionist using Vappy and Zapier. Well, go watch this video. This is a dope video. This shows you how to set up Vappy to create a cold calling agent or a receptionist. You could ask all the questions. So what Vappy does, you get a Twilio number. Vappy will then you're basically going to have all your contacts in Go High Level. You could use it. Okay, you could theoretically use a Google Sheet. Dump all your contacts in there as long as they consented, for sure, that they opted in and consented to be marketing and called to them. You can then call using Vappy. Vappy can make 10 calls at once, which is wild. Vappy could do 10 calls at once. You could do all your sales qualification questions. It will then, it could also book appointments too, which is also nice. I think you're going to hook it up to N8N to like do, if you want to do like calendar booking kind of thing. But at the very end of the phone call, it will then transcribe. Let me go to this video because this video is so dope. It will then transcribe the text, the whole conversation, and then it will dump it. You could dump it in a spreadsheet. You could have it sent to an email, or you can use a make.com automation to take the transcript, feed it to an AI assistant using make.com, kind of like let me go to this, my favorite one, because I just built this today, and it's such a powerful make.com automation, Instagram and LinkedIn posting bot. So you can feed it to OpenAI, who could then read the transcript and interpret to say like, hey, are they interested? Are they not? Whatever, binary or yes, no. If it's yes, you could send a notification to your team to then book an appointment or whatever, or it could say no and then put them in through Go High Level, make.com, put their email, put them back into Go High Level, and then put them in like a 90-day email marketing campaign to like continue to nurture them, for example. And then you use Vappy on the front end, Google Sheets, and it will, I mean, think of how many leads. So there's business, I mean, they charge excuse me, they charge $5,000 to $10,000 to set up an AI voice cold calling agent for real estate agents. Like it's a gangster setup. We're eventually going to get to that. Shauna says, I have come every day as well. Josh, Jonathan has been so helpful. Appreciate Shauna, appreciate Josh. I appreciate all of you. You guys are really what's making this channel grow, and I'm very happy that I could share, just basically demystify AI, help you guys take full advantage of AI. Josh says, I had no idea you had a YouTube channel. Dude, go to the YouTube channel. That is a gold mine. And you could just, because the lives I've been doing, so if you go to my YouTube channel, you could just binge the YouTube made simple series. That has all the daily lives that I've been doing, showcasing. This one, you build the AI content bot. This one, the Vappy for cold calling. This is my most popular video, is the how to build your first AI agent using make.com. That's there. And then for everyone else that want to take it a step farther, officially, I'm going to launch tomorrow with the make.com course. Let me actually save this. This is actually the course. It's hosted in Circle. So this, you could kind of see, this course will take someone from beginner, teach them make.com, then teach them how to build AI assistants, then how to automate content, text and images using AI, and then how to build AI agents is going to be later on. So this is a whole series. You can kind of see all the stuff that I'm working on. So if you sign up for the email newsletter, AISimpleTechSkills.com, you'll get access to the course. Full transparency is $49 a month, but that's going to be for the first month, and every month I'm adding new courses, and each month I'm going to raise the prices, because we're going to do NAN next month. We're going to build Jarvis next month. I'm excited for. So great questions, everyone. Man, TikTok is blowing up. I appreciate everyone on TikTok with your questions. We're going to get through all of them. I want to help you guys take advantage of AI. Let's see. Yeah. So Sora for video, just real quick. Let's do VO2. Sora has a competitor, which is Google's VO2. It is hyper realistic. The crazy thing is these influencers. These people are not real. This is Google's VO2. She's not real. But the crazy thing is you could create commercials. That shoe doesn't exist. She's promoting a product. He's recommending a product. Well, technically it's an iPad, but he doesn't exist. Everything you see in this, it's not a deep fake. It's not HeyGen. It's VO. Look how realistic this looks. That's freaky. That's weird. That's wild. But yeah, so you could theoretically build an AI influencer for your brand to pump out content automatically without you having to be on camera. So that's going to be wild. Let's see, what do we got here? What are some of the biggest deals you've done? I've done just a lot of automation. I basically, I used to, I don't do it anymore now. Now I'm just teaching, but I used to build AI automations for small to medium-sized businesses. Everything, go high-level setup, automate the marketing, sales, Google, Facebook, Instagram ad campaigns, funnels, and then AI chatbots, AI voice agents. All my clients have made more money because of me, which is good. That's why they keep hiring me. First time here, and in my 10 minutes, I'm loving it, learning so much. Thank you so much, Carlise. Carlise, please forgive me. I don't mean to mispronounce that. I'm horrible at reading names. But Carlise with the unicorn, pleasure, welcome. Please ask AI questions. The goal of this channel is just to teach AI, show you guys what's possible with AI so that you guys can stay up to date, take full advantage of it, 100%. 2C2R says in TikTok, event space business, rent and commercial space. PandaDoc might be a better option for contracts. For sure. So the great thing about PandaDocs, well, there's two, actually. I would start with actually JotForm, surprisingly. Start with JotForm because their free plan is like, you could get a lot done with their free plan. So what JotForm does is you could create a form. Let me actually demo, because I was using it today for the course. Let me sign in real quick. So what JotForm does is it allows you to create a very simple form that the user can, okay, here. You can upload a contract, document, signing, whatever, and then you can then create a form let's do here. You can use a template. So these are all different types of, it could be a product order form, could be a new customer form, an appointment registration form, feedback, whatever. So you could create and look at all the different forms that they have. But basically, you could upload all your contracts to it. It allows you to create fill in the blank boxes for name, email, signature, signer 1, signer 2, signature 3, whatever. And then this sends an email to that person. What they see is just a form, which is super dope. Here. So they just see a very simple form that they fill out. And once they fill this out, this will actually fill out the contract. And the cool thing is you could hook this up to make.com to then set up an automation. I have so many tabs open. You could set up an automation that automatically starts the form process. So they fill out the form on your website. That will automatically fill out the form or start their name and email form in JotForm to then email them for them to fill out the rest of it too. That's a whole thing. And then later on you can get into PandaDocs. PandaDocs does the same thing. So for people, a lot of the real estate industry, PandaDocs is just a little more expensive, but it does the same thing basically. Create, approve, track, e-sign. The more important thing is both these tools have an API, so you can automate it with make.com. That's the real key thing. That's how you really save a lot of time. Great question, 2C. Tim said, wow, you guys got a lot of, this is great. So Tim says, I'm starting an AI agency, but I don't know if it's worth it. If it's worth, since companies can DIY. Good question. Companies can't DIY. If they would have done it, most companies don't have a tech expert. Also, most companies don't have an AI expert. So most of them aren't taking full advantage of not only automation, but also tech, but then also AI. All companies are behind, guaranteed. So what you would be selling them is basically you're going to sell, there's mainly just two. It's make.com and NAN. So for a lot of people, it's like, if you're going to start an AI agency, there's 3 tools that you need to master. If you're selling to small businesses, you're going to be selling Go High Level as the first automation tool and AI to small businesses. That's all. That's a whole thousand. I mean, you could sell a setup for anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 to set it up for them, and then $197 a month for monthly recurring. They allow you to white label the software. So for people who don't know what Go High Level is, it's an all-in-one marketing tool, but they sell to marketing agencies or AI automation agencies. So they'll set up the website, the CRM, the email and text automation, the Zapier hookup, the calendar booking form, the payment booking form, the blog, the form. It has every tool. But then you as a marketing agency, you buy the software once, which is only $97, and then you get access to everything, and then you white label it, and then you sell it to all your or you onboard new clients. You build out their marketing and sales. That's their website, email, text marketing, AI chatbots, AI voice receptionists, CRM, Zapier, automation. So that's the first thing that you sell. Then you'll sell AI chatbots using Chatbase. This is for people that want to start a chatbase.co. If you're going to build chatbots, you're going to build using Chatbase. Super simple to build a very simple chatbot for them for whatever. Marketing, customer service, HR, and training are the main 3. Then I forgot the gentleman's name that I talked about for mortgages. Then you're going to use Vappy. Vappy allows you to build AI voice receptionists and outbound calling. The outbound cold calling has a lot of legality around it. That's why I always sell AI voice receptionist as the easiest one, because if they miss a call, they're missing sales. It's a real great, it will answer questions, it will book appointments, super fun. And then if they have operations, then you're doing make.com, where basically you're building workflows. Go to here. Yeah. You're building workflows much like this to then automate a lot of their tasks. So this automation, this is one of the automation templates that you get if you're inside the AI community course, which is going live tomorrow. This thing automatically creates content. So it just takes an idea, creates the text. This one generates the image, and then it will automatically post on Instagram or LinkedIn, or it will post to all of them. We're going to do all of social media channels. So this completely generates your whole AI content. This does photos and images. Next week, we're going to do videos. And then lastly, if you're getting to AI agents, this is again for people who want to start an AI agency, then you need to get skilled in N8N. This is the best tool to build any type of agents, chatbots, AI voice, all sorts of AI agents. If you want to get into that, N8N is the gold standard. And then we're going to create a course next month on N8N. This month we're focusing on make.com, which is great. TD asks, how much money to start a business for just the AI subscriptions? Good question. It depends on what you're selling, and what problem you're solving for businesses. I mean, go high level, you could get started for $97, sign your first 3 clients, charge them $1,000 to $3,000 to set it all up. Then you get $197 a month. They pay you to maintain it, and then you can start from there. That's the easiest way. That's the most sticky too, because they're gonna keep paying for their website, CRM, email and text marketing tool, and for you to manage all of that. So if you want to start an AI automation business, I recommend selling Go High Level first, and then you just learn. We're gonna Go High Level course is going to be next month too. We're going to teach Go High Level inside the AI community. Think of the AI community like Netflix, but for AI training. That's the way I'm setting it up. So you're going to learn Go High Level, build websites, funnels, target small businesses. That's a really good way to start making money. Eddie asks, thank you for your live. How are you sharing your laptop screen and your video in TikTok Live? Great question. Once you're at 1,000 subscribers on TikTok, you're allowed to go live. And then I'm using, great question, because I had that question too. I was watching people online. I'm like, how are you doing this? The software is called Streamlabs. Streamlabs is completely free. It's pretty much it's like OBS, but just easier to use. So Streamlabs you download for free. It allows you to hook up. If you guys will now see what I'm looking at, this is Streamlabs. You could hook up 2 apps. So TikTok is on the right, and there's everyone on YouTube chat. And this is YouTube. This is TikTok. This is YouTube chat, and then TikTok chat, if you guys want to see, is just in another browser. So I'm kind of following your comments and kind of following live. So that's kind of like the live setup. And then it's completely free to stream 2 channels simultaneously. Pretty easy to set up. We'll have a course on that soon in there too. Great question. Wait, are you really doing this, or is this a deepfake? Soon, I will deepfake myself. That's gonna be. I'm just. I want it really good though. I'm gonna deepfake all my TikTok videos because I don't want to create 20-second videos all the time when you could do it with AI now. It's pretty gangster. But hold on. Vanguard says, but hold on. What's the roots of the program to start YouTube automation? Great question. YouTube automation is a little different. Long form videos a little harder. Short forms are easier. Short form YouTube automation is, and also TikTok automation, you're going to be using like Kling to do the videos. So Kling will create the horizontal videos for whatever your topic is. Basically, you put a text, you'll get a video back, and also, more importantly, it has an API. And then you're going to be using your make.com. I should really keep that make.com tab open. Let me close some tabs here. I have a lot of tabs. Tab. You can see a lot of stuff that we've been talking about. tab. Okay, cool. So with this, then you can do make.com. And then you're going to build like an automation like this to automate your YouTube. But there's a lot of nuances with it. Let's go. Because you're basically building a faceless channel, and I'll be completely honest, faceless channels is a really hard thing to get off the ground per se. In 2025, what I have, like this automation will automatically post on Instagram, TikTok. You can add YouTube Shorts, TikTok Shorts. You get yeah, from there. But the main thing is you want to publish. You basically want to be a personal brand. Basically, what I'm doing right now. So you could consume content with my face on it to know, like, and trust. You want to build a personal brand and give a ton of value away. Exactly what I'm doing here. Give away all the secrets, all the value away. Because then it builds a personal brand. People know, like, and trust you, and then they sign up for your products and services. There's a study that came out that talked about the people make their purchasing behavior based on I don't want to say influencers, but people who have a personal brand that publish content consistently that have giveaway that give away a lot of value. Think like Alex Hermosi, for example. That style. Good questions. Is this pre-recorded? Nope, this is not pre-recorded. It's currently 11:10 at night where I'm at. This is not recorded, but it's recorded though. Will be saved on YouTube. I don't know how to see live, or if you go to someone's TikTok, I just haven't learned this yet. If you go to someone's TikTok, I don't know how to see their lives, like past live recordings. I know how to do it on YouTube. Like YouTube, you can see library. Actually, you want to go to home. So on YouTube, you'll see like I'm live right now. And then you could also see all the lives here. These are all the previous lives. Like we did a whole Q&A. That was one. This is another one that's going on right now. You can see I do a lot of lives just because I'm lazy for editing. I don't want to edit. You guys got a lot of questions. I got to catch up. I am far behind on the questions on TikTok chat. Okay, let's jam through these so I could catch up. 4H says, question, how much time I need to invest in order to get my social media operate easily? So social media is two parts. One, you have to learn how to create you have to learn how to create consistent content. What that means is 1 minute YouTube video a day, plus the key really is short form content. You have to be able to pump out 6 20-second short form videos every single day on YouTube Shorts and TikTok Shorts. And then long form is daily on YouTube too. And I say 6 because people are like, oh my God, 6 videos. And it's like, yeah, if I were to tell you how much growth I'm getting on my channel, like in 1 month, I got 2,700 TikTok followers. But that was because I'm posting 5 times a day consistently. And it's like, if you want more followers, post more consistently. 20-second videos, short form videos, niche down, provide a bunch of content. And then slowly it's just a number of games. You get better with your content. VO isn't out yet. Good question. I don't think that's why I probably haven't played with it. I don't think it's out. Okay, sign up to try it on Video FX. Look at these real. I gotta look into it if it's real, or I'm sorry, if it's available just yet. So it says it's on Video FX, but sign in to get a sneak peek. So yeah, it's early access. So if you look up here, VOFX is early access. So so it's gonna come out next 2 months. Not bad. 2C says, thank you. You really are here. I appreciate you. Thank you. Yeah, we are small. No, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you, all of you guys, for the followers on TikTok. I appreciate each and one of you. Welcome to the AI community. The goal here is to teach you guys AI so you can take full advantage of it. Sunny Vibes asks, I think he's AI. I asked 3 questions. 3, he can't see. My AI agent. 4, network engineers. Sorry, Sunny Vibes, for missing your questions. Pop your questions in. I'm actually behind on the chat, so you guys are blowing up the chat. Let's see. Sunny Vibes, he's getting this is probably the most of questions that you guys are asking, but I want to answer all the questions, so I'm slowly catching up. 2C says, any AI tools for monitoring comments on Instagram? Yes, that's ManyChat. ManyChat allows you to monitor comments, but if they're like problematic comments, there's ways to like flag it. There's actually other ones that would do it for flagging, but ManyChat is probably the best one for that. Digital Gangster, I appreciate it. Yeah, let's see. English with Monica, I like the name. I can go live, but can't set up Streamlabs because it's asking for the key. Yeah, you have to. Let me actually show you the video. Like, when you go to, because I had, so Streamlabs, Tick. I'll show you the video that I learned from. I know it's probably. Oh, that's gonna be hard. Any one of these will do it. Um, because here's the key: when you connect Streamlabs, you technically have to go through an application. Um, let's see if maybe this guy shows it. Um, so you create your account. It's completely free. So yeah, you create your account. Here's the application form. Yeah. So you have to submit an app. You have to go to this website. Oops, here. Oh, too fast. Okay, Streamlabs, and then you have to go to. There's a link as you go through the process. So once you get 1,000 subscribers, you sign up for Streamlabs. Um, you go through this application. It took a day for them to approve. You also have to show a screenshot of like your other social media channels. So you can't just start with TikTok. You have to have another social media channel with some following on it or some content, like YouTube, for example, and they have to see a screenshot of that you're a real person. You have other content, and then they'll approve your TikTok account so that it could go live. And then it's like it goes through like a 24-hour probationary thing. But that's it. That's the TikTok application. Great question. 2C says West Coast in the house. Hell yeah, West Coast in the house. I'm in Cali. Shout out to all my Cali AI followers. Username, thank you, and John, and English with Monica. I appreciate all of you for the follow. You're going to get a lot of AI content. Just a quick thing for all the people that want to stay up to date. Go to simpletechskills.com. This is my website. Simpletechskills.com. You can sign up for my free newsletter and get all of these free goodies. And then tomorrow, you'll get an invite to my make.com. Actually, we're coming out with a couple. Make.com course, and we already have the ChatGPT course. So you'll learn how to make AI agents, assistants, social media content using make.com. Super powerful. So that's coming out tomorrow. Let's see, when's the course coming out? Parcel says, yes, the course is coming out tomorrow. If you're on the email list, you'll get the invite. Full transparency, the course, it's like Netflix for AI training. That's the best way to think about it. And starting off my first, for the first 100 subscribers that sign up for the course, it's $49 a month. Next month, the prices will go up because we're going to be adding more content. Next month, we're going to be doing NAN. You get twice a week office hours with me, and then you also get access to balloons. You also get access to an AI networking event, and then we're also going to be adding AI hackathons, which I'm excited for. Monthly AI hackathons. I'm trying to get them in person, but right now we're going to figure out that too. So that's coming up down the line. John AI says, any tips? Be more specific, John. The tips. John AI. I think I've seen your content. More specific about what tips you're looking for. Oops. Okay, looking site name. Oh, I think I'm at the bottom of TikTok comments. Oh wait, I'm so jumping in your 4H says, I'm so jumping in your comments, bro. DM me DM me this to keep up to date with knowledge and needing to. Yeah, because it's not only keeping you up to date with AI, but like, okay, since you guys are on here, I want to share something exciting with you, something really cool. For all of you that want to do content, or if you want to create a course, create content, basically video editing is going to be a huge pain in the butt. This tool allowed me to edit the content. So it basically allowed me to edit a whole course, make.com course. What would have took 3 days of editing, took 6 hours. And it was using, because I tried a different one. I tried Descript. Descript was horrible. It was Gling. Oh my God, I was able to edit what takes, like, for every video is like an hour and a half. Instead of an hour and a half editing, it cut it down to 10 minutes. That saved me so much time. It uses AI to edit, and it's so easy. I highly recommend. So any of those people that want to create video content and you hate editing, sign up for Gling, and it's worth every penny. I'm not sponsored by any of the companies. I just sponsor all my sponsorships through the AI community. So you guys actually are the only ones that sponsor me through my course. But yeah, sign up for Gling. I don't use CapCut anymore. I don't use DaVinci. I don't use Adobe Premiere. I now edit using AI, using Gling. It's such a hack. I'm never going back. Never going back. It's so fast. I'll pump out more content and courses than like it's such a hack. Um, Come, Come y Bebe. I love the name. What's the site name? SimpleTechSkills.com is where you can sign up to my AI newsletter, and then you'll get access to my the invite for the course tomorrow. I'm going to send it by email to the course. There'll also be a link on the website too for the course, but and it's $49 a month. I mean, which is super affordable. It goes to support the content at the end of the day, so I can continue to do this, provide free content to you guys at the end of the day. Can you pin the website name in the chat? Yes, I think I can. Let's see here. www.simpletech. Can I pin comments? Let me see. Can I pin my own comment? Oh, it won't let me pin. Okay, I gotta learn how to pin comments, but it's in the chat. Appreciate you guys. It's also the link in my bio too. If you go to my link in my bio, it's there too. Carly says, we're watching you from all over the world. In person would cut out a lot of us, especially in Nairobi. For sure. That's why I'm trying to put together for one, inside the AI community, every week we will have what's called AI networking events. So it's like virtual speed networking. It's not speed dating, but it's speed networking. I put you in a Zoom small group, and then you cycle around different Zoom groups so that you could network with each other. Because that to me is the coolest thing. Like today, today's Saturday. Every Saturday we have an AI meetup on Saturday, exclusive only to the people that join the AI newsletter. Two people not hooked up, but Johnny and this other guy, I forgot his name. They were both in Canada, and they're both like doing super interesting things with AI. So they connected on the meetup call, and like I was so excited because I'm like, that's what it's about. It's not just like me teaching what I can about AI. It's like show up, and it's the community. Make friends, because all of these people are like, if you're in AI, you're doing like super advanced stuff. So like so that's where we're going to do Zoom networking events once a week, because I want you to connect, make friends, because you'll find that one person who they may become a business partner. They may help you on your projects. They may be in your same city, so you guys could do projects together, stuff like that. So I really want to make it a hub. Krabby Patty says, is it one time or subscription? Good question. It's $49 a month. It's a subscription, so that you get access to all the courses, the twice a week office hours, and then also the networking. And then we're going to have events. And then every month I'm releasing new courses every single month, because AI, you have to understand, AI every month completely changes, almost every week. Like last week, all the AI models changed. Like this month, even like this month, last month, we got DeepSeek and we got Mistral. So now ChatGPT is all the games change. ChatGPT is now releasing ChatGPT 5 free. And so all the models change. There's new tools, there's new workflows. So that's why it's a subscription, so that you guys the goal is to keep you guys up to date. And then the price will jump every single month, or after 100 users, depending, because so the $49 is only for the early supporters. So once it goes in, you guys are locked at that price, and then it goes up from there for all the new people. But think of it, today's February, we're launching the course. By the end of the year, we're going to have like 13 courses on the best AI, but the goal is you also have office hours with me. This is also a great thing. Let's see, how about I get a sub for free when you, let's see, a sub for free, or how about, how about I get a sub? Nope, let's ignore that one. Oh, this is Gold English with Monica. I appreciate it. By the way, you're in Brazil. Wow, shout out to everyone in Brazil. We had Malaysia on the call. We also had Calgary. We had Canada. We've had people from Europe. that blows my mind that this is like so international, which is awesome. Let's see. Thank you for the follow, Lou. Yep, Tud, that's the website. Thank you so much. 2C says, do in person in SoCal, bonus points, Orange County. Bro, you're close to me if you're in Orange County. Shout out then. Yeah. So in the in the community, I'll put chapters for people that if they want to. So it's hosted in Circle. I'm not doing if you guys want to learn how to create courses and communities, I'm using, let me go to my actually the Circle. I'm using Circle is an app to do the courses or do the whole community. It has the best mobile app. It's international. It has probably the best experience for learning, for courses, for questions. It's better than school, honestly. So eventually I'll have resources down here for people that want to do local chapters because I'm in SoCal. I'm close to Orange County. So I would definitely, that would be awesome to hook it up. If you guys know, I also run 3 meetup groups. I'm so in AI. Like, I host 3 meetup groups. As if I didn't have enough on my plate. One in Austin, Texas, one in LA, and one in New York. The New York one is really like the most popular one. So I'm everywhere online, as they say. English Harmonica says, sign me up. Awesome. Appreciate it. Let's see. Bro, it's 5 a.m. in Brazil, and you're like learning about AI. It's 11:25 at night where I'm at right now. And I'm here helping you guys learning AI, geeking out. I appreciate each and every one of you. Shout out to Nigeria. Shout out to Singapore. Shout out to Puerto Rico. Whole shout out to Dana Point. Yo, wow. Sending lots of love to all of you guys. Global. Dude, I'm grateful to meet everyone around the world because if this works out, then we can do AI tours or then I'll go live. That's the goal of it basically is like once the course is done, set up, and everything's working, I can now start traveling and going around to major cities to promote, to meet members in person, to do live events in major cities, and then internationally travel. That's like my dream. So this is Houston, Texas. Oh, that's dope. Because yeah, then I could start doing. I could basically go on think of like comedians. Is basically I could go on a traveling tour to basically. Because I want to go do pop-up events, also sign up small businesses to get them AI trained. Because right now, it's such a game of like you have to learn AI or you're going to get replaced by someone with AI skills. And I don't want you guys to get replaced by AI. I want you guys to be like, I want you guys to make more money with AI at the end of the day, honestly, whether your job or your business. So when did you start your journey with AI? When I first started, and this is, let's go to home. So I was early on the chat GPT, and I also documented everything. So my first chat GPT video, let's see if we go back. I've been creating chat GPT content for quite a while. I think this one, so that was 2 years ago. 5 pro tips. I think it was around that time. You can see 8 months. I think that was it. 2.5 years ago, I made my first ChatGPT video on YouTube, and I was playing with it. Because when I first played with it, yeah, this was probably my most popular video. I was like, okay, so I was teaching ChatGPT on YouTube 2 years ago, a long time ago. So that's like 5 years in AI world, which is wild. Shout out to Nigeria. When did you start your journey? Your vibe is so beautiful. Thank you, 2C. I appreciate you. No, you guys are really, you guys support watching the channel, sharing it, subscribing, joining the lives. I'm just doing my part to try and, at the end of the day, answer questions. Trying to like just make AI more accessible, trying to help you find the right tool to help you in your job or your business. Because at the end of the day, I want you guys to take full advantage of it. Krabby Patties asked if it's a one-time or subscription. It's going to be a subscription, $49 a month, which is super affordable for the AI automation courses. And then every month or 100 subscribers, it's going to go up. So no joke, just for that. Because I want a early bird price for my early subscribers. And then every week, I'm adding more courses. And then every month, I'm adding courses every week. Because the goal is I want to make sure you guys are skilled, you know the best tools, like for example like Gling. Like I found out about Gling 2 days ago when I had to do all my video editing. And I was like, I need a really good AI video editing software. There's no way I can edit all this video manually using CapCut. I was like, that's not going to happen. There's no way. I don't have the time. So I was like, I need to use AI. And so I tried all the tools. I found Gling was the best. And then it saved me again. What would it took 3 days of video editing the entire make.com course took 6 hours. So now I'll teach a course on Gling in the AI Academy so that my community members who create content or small business owners or people that want to create courses, they'll know how to use Gling in their business or to create content. And that's such a competitive advantage. Great questions. I like your ChatGPT course. Yep. There's a full, when you sign up for the AI newsletter, you get three free courses. You get the 4 hour, it's a 4 hour ChatGPT beginner course. That was when I first taught. There's about 300 entrepreneurs that I've certified in ChatGPT through this course. And then after I just released it free. So you get that. And then you get the most popular video of building your first AI agent with make.com. And then there's also the how to automate content using Instagram and make.com. That video is also in there. See, it's the first welcome email. You still, all of you, just to help with spam, once you sign up, you do have to go to your email and look for my email to confirm the subscription, because I get a lot of spam emails as well too. So just one extra step, click confirm, and then you get the welcome email with all the free gifts, all the details, and you're in the email list. So that's like, it helps with spam. Ooh, great question, Mike. Do we get certificates? Yes. Let me actually show you, because I've been certifying for a while. I certified over 300 entrepreneurs. Let's see, certificate? I think it is. Yeah. So I've certified. These are all my students. Man, this brings a tear. So can I open this? I should be. Yeah, these are all my students. So if I close this and then I close this. So yes, you do get an awesome looking certificate. This one was for my ChatGPT course. I'm going to create one for make.com, and then there's going to be another one for prompt engineering, another one for NAN, how to build agents, another one for VAPI, how to build AI assistants. So I want to certify you in the tools. And you can see all the students that I've been certifying over the last year in AI. So you do get certificates. Wow, beautiful. I appreciate it. I love the style of it too. It's like super, like no joke. Like this was, when this one, meet this lady Dora. She's got certified on June 16, 2024. And this was she completed this was the ChatGPT beginner course. Then which is technically the course you get free in the email newsletter. Once you sign up, you get this course for free. It's a full 4-hour course, which is really good. So highly recommend that. Tud says, nice, awesome, nice. No, I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for the new followers. Thank you so much for the likes. At the end of the day, my mission is to teach 1 million people with AI through my courses. And so I'm very excited to help you guys level up with AI. And then I go live Monday through Friday, 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Teach something really cool with AI. For the people that don't know, I have a YouTube channel, but the YouTube channel has a lot of free content, yo. There's like 600 videos on like marketing, AI, automation, business, funnels, websites, go high level. What else do I have? So much in there, and a ton of AI stuff. So you can go through a ton of free content. There's stuff on go high level, how to use it. All my stuff is like mostly tutorials. So I actually teach you how to use all the stuff on there. There's also a huge productivity series, time management series. For some, I love this software. So for some of you that want to manage tasks and projects easily and time block and organize your day and organize all your tasks super easily so you're not overwhelmed or burned out or like juggling multiple things, I highly recommend TickTick. TickTick. It is, let's see, wait, let me go here. TickTick. Yeah. TickTick is worth. I think it's only like $4 a month, $4 or $7 a month. Don't quote me on it. Something like that. It's super affordable, but it allows you to manage all your tasks and projects across work and life, and then time blocks. So you have lists. So I have two lists: a list for work, and a list for personal tasks that I have to do. You get to see all of your tasks organized. Ooh, well, thank you, Zoom. Um, and then each task, you have little checklists. The goal of this is so that you're not overwhelmed. Everything that you have to do, just log it in TickTick, and then don't worry, and then just schedule it when it needs to be done, so that you're not overwhelmed or burnout. I could start a task on Monday. Like for example, I have a task on creating the course. It's a long to-do list. Create the website, create the course, record, edit, publish, all the things. I just have a little simple checklist, and every day I kind of like check one thing off at a time. This is great because it syncs with your calendar. That's the most important thing. It syncs with your calendar, so you can literally time block every task, how long it needs to take. See your calendar, syncs with your Gmail calendar and stuff like that. I love Tick. I would not be as productive as I am if it wasn't for TickTick. So shout outs to TickTick. Again, I'm not sponsored by any of these. I'm only sponsored by the course and my community. Honestly, that's my thing. So if I recommend a product, it's because it makes my life so much easier. What's the name of your community? I think I'm just calling it AI community right now, just to keep it simple. I'll come up with a cool branding name later, but it's basically, the goal is Netflix of AI training. It'll have courses on ChatGPT, Make.com, and then NAN. Future ones are going to come every month. I'm going to be releasing new courses, so that even Mistral is going to be important in there. Like, people need to know how to use Mistral. For a lot of people that are just joining the chat, highly recommend playing with. Actually, let's do this. Mistral AI. It's actually pretty good showing the Google thing so you guys can see it. Mistral AI has been my go-to for my daily driver as far as AI. Super fast, completely free. It's a European AI. So the European AI is interesting because they have more strict privacy policies with the GDPR laws and stuff like that. So they're really strict on make sure privacy, not like DeepSeek kind of thing, and the privacy with DeepSeek. But Mistral, super fast. It's my daily driver. Highly recommend. You should check it out. IRT asks, what is TickTick? It's a task and project management app, so that you can manage all your tasks and projects. So I literally wake up, what do I have to do today? What do I have to do the next 7 days? So you can see all the tasks that you need to do. And then each task has its own little simple checklist that you need to do. And then the whole thing syncs with the calendar, so you can literally time block how much time each task is going to take. Super great for time blocking, like the best. Privacy is huge for mortgage. Dalton, I appreciate it. You're like almost, you're number 2 in the top viewers. Like, shout out to Dalton. Privacy is huge in mortgage. Yes. So the choosing the right tools, like Go High Level can also be HIPAA compliant. You have to pay a little extra for the HIPAA compliancy. Probably PandaDoc has much more privacy than JotForm. So yeah, searching tools for certain industries, you do have to recommend, or there are searching tools that have much more privacy, for those, for example. Go High Level, dude. If you have Go High Level, you're awesome. You're already ahead of your competitors. Nice. The next is to hook it up to Make.com and hook up your other workflows, so that you can start streamlining your workflow, whether it be for any of your major projects, for example. That would be a really good course, is like, because you could connect PandaDoc to Make.com, which is really great. What do you recommend for documentation analysis? Documentation analysis. Good question, honestly, because analysis is really coming down to ChatGPT custom GPTs. Like, if you go, I know my video on, was it chat? I know my video on TikTok, that has like 100,000 views, is like, I deleted my ChatGPT subscription. I'm back, sadly, because I have to do it for the course, unfortunately. So that's why I signed up, because I need the subscription for the course. But for document analysis, I would create a custom GPT, so that you can prompt this custom GPT as far as what are you looking for in the documents, and then uploading context of other example documents, so that you're basically training a little GPT so that it knows pattern recognition. It knows what to look for, what type of documents you're going to be inputting, and what are you specifically looking for as an answer or output. That's going to be like the best. I recommend. It's very easy to use to create a custom GPT. But I love custom GPTs. I have one for copywriting, for example. I have one for creating courses. I have one for business coaching, and I have one for science fiction writing because I like writing science fiction books for fun using AI. You can write books using AI. Shout out. That's a little tip there. Ooh, I am not catching up on the chat. Okay. I feel like I'm talking to a toddler when talking to GPT. Yeah, it's like play with Mistral. Um, Claude's a little better. And then, of course, but no one's going to like it, DeepSeek. The reason why is the R1 reasoning model. It's whenever you have to work with very complex tasks, you need a reasoning model, which is ChatGPT o1, DeepSeek R1. Mistral is kind of there. I think Mistral is more like a 4.0, just supercharged, basically. I don't think it's a reasoning model per se. But you could use DeepSeek offline, private on your computer using LM Studio. Shout out to some people that don't know this. LM Studio, I know so many tools, my brain, Jesus. My friends call me John GPT. LM Studio allows you to download and run large language models like DeepSeek, Llama, or any other open source model completely free. Downloads to your computer. I'm running a MacBook Pro and it runs fine. You don't need any crazy hardware, basically. Now it's completely private, which is also important. It does not send data. You could download, like literally I'll show you. I installed LM Studio. It's super easy to install. Let's open this model. Okay, cool. So, okay, they're just doing updates. So when you install LM Studio, I can't zoom in, but on the left-hand side, there's a magnifying glass. That's like the library. And then you can search. Oh, shout out to Qwen, Qwen. You actually probably want to play with Qwen. I just can't get past the sign-in thing to test it. It's so annoying. Qwen AI. Qwen, you may want to play with Qwen. Qwen, I'm getting a lot of people love Qwen for how fast and smart it is. It's like a Mistral DeepSeek like competitor. It's like it came out of nowhere, super fast. I just can't get past the login screen. It won't let. I signed up and it's like verify if you're human. You gotta do the scroll bar. I'm like, apparently it's still a robot, so it says like, no, you're a robot. Denied. I'm like, God damn it, give me access. So that's why I just haven't played it. So I've been using Mistral. So anyways, LM Studio, completely free. You could download LM Studio to your computer, completely offline. You can choose any of the models. They've got Qwen. I have DeepSeek. You could choose Llama, whatever. You can get them all from Hugging Face. Very easy. You download. Qwen is 5 gigs, nothing. Then once you download it, I'm sorry, I can't zoom in like a browser, but then in the top bar right here, you can select the model. So I have DeepSeek R1 right here, and then you could do little settings, but then it loads the model. So now this whole chat is chatting with DeepSeek, but it's completely offline. It's completely private. No information is saved on your computer, nor is any information sent on a browser. It runs completely disconnected from the internet. So you get the sophisticated, because again, the problem is using, depending on the task complexity is how you're going to choose the right model. There's no best model out there, but it's really trying to find the right, again, how difficult. Oh, let me actually show you guys this. This will be the last thing I'll share because it's getting late. I got a big day to launch a course tomorrow. I want to leave you guys with this because I always want to give you guys a lot of value. So highly recommend when you're looking for AI tools and like what's the best tool out there. This is probably the best AI tool directory that I use. It is called AIXPLORIA. AIXPLORIA. Thank you, Joseph, for the heart. That's dope. Thank you so much. Explorer is dope because what it does is they break down. So like we can see here, like here's the top 50 trending tools, AI tools in 24 hours. You got Hugging Face, Gemini, Quen, DeepSeek. But what I like about them, I like this demonstration. They break down the best top 10 AI tools based on categories. So if you're looking one for writing, chatbots, video, images, here's one for video. Here's the top 10 list for video. Here's the top 10 for text to speech. So they're actually really good as far as updating these lists. And there's 5,000 lists. It just goes on and on and on. This has been my favorite site. So like top 10 AI chatbots, you got ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Quen, DeepSeek. I would actually put Mistral second place, honestly, just because Mistral doesn't have voice, it doesn't have custom GPTs yet, but it just came out. So it's like, cut them some slack. They just launched. So these models by the end of the year, it's insane. This industry changes and gets advanced every single week and month. So that's the goal. So I appreciate each and every one of you, from Parse, Dalton, over Unity P, Carly, Johnny, Shauna, Josh. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching the channel. Again, my mission is to teach 1 million people with AI. And then if you want to sign up for the AI, or let's see, Simple Text, I have so many websites. Simple Tech Skills. Oh yeah. So if you go to simpletechskills.com, you can sign up for my free email newsletter. You get a lot of free goodies. All these are free goodies. And then you'll get notified tomorrow. I'll be launching the make.com course. And full transparency, it's $49 a month. Starting off this month, we're launching the make.com course, which is actually what let's go circle, is actually what I'm finishing editing. Actually, it's all edited, which is nice. It's almost, I have a few more things to record, but I'm going to be continuously adding more lessons every single week to keep this up to date and stuff. So the goal is like AI Netflix training, so you guys are up to date with AI. And then we'll also have, oh my gosh, the AI speed networking in there. We're going to do live or in-person events in major cities and stuff. I got a lot of big plans with the community. So, and it also goes to support this channel so I could continue to show up and give you guys a ton of free value to show that at the end of the day, to help you guys stay up to date with AI. So Carly, the messenger, Tud, I appreciate each and every one of you. Natalia, Jonathan, the messenger, Joe, I appreciate all of the follows. Again, you'll be seeing a ton of content that's coming out. So that's the goal. So thank you guys so much for your time. I'm truly grateful and appreciate for each and every one of you. I hope all of you have a wonderful, blessed night and a weekend. And I'll see you guys Monday, 7 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time for our weekly lives. I go live, teach, talk, so that you guys are all up to date. So have a wonderful